Okay, both teams may tigdalawang timeout. Back to the ball game.
Bravo pa din. Bravo.
Okay. Okay, Carlson going back up. Islam Ulrich.
Galing.
Pass to Liam. And Liam is the ball. And holding foul on number 15, Liam. Liam first personal foul, entering penalty, PGL. Marino on the inbound, pass to Cedillo. And steal by Caleb. Caleb to Ulrich. Ulrich, back to Caleb. Caleb to Jericho. Jericho malakas, rebound. Liam to Caleb. Hey, traveling. Okay, 4 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. Lamang ng apat itong Raven. Cedillo, pass to Estiba. Balik kay Cedillo. Cedillo. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by Caleb. Cedillo. To Estiba. And a 3 seconds violation. Okay, Liam. Caleb. Caleb. Cedillo is out of the pass. And a 5 seconds violation was called. Coach, isa lang nakatayo sa pass. Okay. Okay, Arines. Pass to Marin. Under the ball to Estiba. 10 seconds to shoot. Estiba! Wala. Rebound by Caleb. Pass to Braden. Braden to Ulrich. Ulrich takes. Wala. Rebound. Kapoy. And steal by Ulrich. Kapoy. Pass to Cedillo. To Marin. Basket count. Foul number 33. Ulrich, third personal foul on Ulrich. Penalty. A ball shot. Okay. Ball shot, ready. Okay, bonus free throw for Marin. 23 play. 36-43, 7-point lead. Raiden. Moving the ball. Raiden. And a foul on number 31. Cedillo. First personal foul, 13 foul. Okay, Caleb on the inbound. Oh, wala mo nagagalaw. Okay. Liam. And a foul on number 16, Estiba. Estiba, that was your first personal foul entering penalty. Caleb on the inbound. Pass to Jericho. Jericho Bumelo. Drive. Uy! Sumora sa lakas. Time out, Raven. Okay, officially score 36-43. Dalawang time out sa PGL, isang time out sa Raven. Okay, next game, prepare na kayo. Okay, back to the ball game. Marine on the inbound. And long pass. Punta sa kalaban ng bola. Caleb. Wala. Rebound sa Dillo. Sodillo. Pass to Estiba. Estiba to Marine. Marine. And here's come Caleb. Pass to Liam. Liam to Ulrich. And Elisa Lowe. Foul number 6. Penalty both teams. Two minutes and 17 seconds. Two shots. First throw, wala. Para kay Ulrich. Second throw, 1 out of 2, 37-43. Marine, pass to Sevilla. And, stepping on the line. Okay. Last 2 minutes. Wala, rebound Ulrich. Wala, pero meron tayong foul. Number 6. That was Lian's second personal foul. 2 shots. First throw, connect. 38-43, 5-point lead. Second throw, wala. Rebound. Pagawa ng bola, nakapunta kay Estiba. Estiba. Naipit. Pagawa ng bola, nakakuha ni Ulrich. Ulrich. And time out. Okay, wala nang time out. Ang Raven. Dalawa pa para sa PGL. 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining.
Last game ba?
Okay, back to the ball game.
Next na kayo dito. Wala na. Wala na kasi last game.
Okay, let's go, Raven. Okay, 14 seconds sa ating shot clock. 14. Okay. seconds to shoot. Wala. 5 seconds to shoot. Esteban. Dito naman. Out of bounds. 1 minute and 16 seconds. Ayan, Liam. Hey! Grabe yun. Okay, Steve out and down. Marine. 10 seconds to shoot. And a whistle traveling. 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining. Caleb on the down. Liam. And traveling. Okay, 51 seconds remaining. 51.7. Estiba. Pass to Cedillo. To Arines. 14 shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. And 7 seconds on the shot clock. 7 seconds remaining on the shot clock. 5. Good. There's Ken Ulrich. There's up. Black for 42-43. 20 seconds remaining. Esteban to Cedillo. 15 seconds. Hell of a traveling. Time out. PGL. With 15 seconds remaining. Sayang. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, 14 seconds. Okay, isang segundo. Diferensya. Both teams, penalty. Wala na timeout ang Raven. Isa para sa PGL. Okay. Okay, wala na timeout. Requested by PGL. Wala na. Last timeout na yan. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay. Okay, Caleb again down to Liam. Liam for the lead, wala! 10 seconds remaining! Sa oy! Saglit lang. Okay, right time foul. Clock to 1. Foul on number 31. Penalty. Okay, nauna yung foul doon sa traveling. Okay, nagkaroon muna ng foul. First throw. Basket. Deadlock. Isa pa. Both bench. Ikaw na tayo dyan. Bench. Okay, tingnan natin. Last throw para kay Zach. Wala. Rebound. 5 seconds. Wala na. Sadillo. 2 seconds. Meron tayong OT. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, balik na tayo. Another 5 minutes of exciting ball game. Okay, pasok na both teams. Okay, continuous penalty, 1 timeout. Okay, pasok na BGL. Coach, let's go, BGL. Okay, wala na ang block. BGL. BGL, inbound. Okay, ito na. There's Kyle Ulrich. Losing the ball, same ball. Ulrich, pass to Jericho. For the lead, wala rebound by Marin, pero may foul. Number 23. Okay, number 23. That was Jericho. Okay, first personal foul. Okay, 2 shots for Marin. First throw, wala. Second throw. Another miss. Ball goes to Sedillo. Sedillo to Estiva. 10 seconds to shoot to Sierra Jose. Marin to Sedillo. 5 seconds to shoot. And a 3 seconds violation. Zach on the inbound. Pass to Brenner. Traveling yun. Okay, Sedillo on the inbound. Pass to Arines. Bounce pass to Marin. Save the ball. Ball goes to Ulrich. Here's that Ulrich. Ulrich lays up on the lead. Collect the 2 points. Here's that Estiva. 9-0 run na to para sa PGL. And it goes up. And already out of bounds. Okay. Sierra Jose pass to Estiva. Cedillo. In and out. Rebound pa rin. May foul sa likod. Foul on number 30. Second. Ay, apat na yan pala para kay Braden. Fourth personal foul. Braden. First throw. Sayang yung mga free throw para kay Marin. Second throw. Yun, 1 out of 2. 45-44. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Ayan. Liam. Okay, nakapal ng bola. And meron tama. Okay, foul yun. Number 31, push it foul, penalty. Third personal foul on Cedillo. Okay, 2 shots for Liam. First throw, air ball. Second throw. And another miss. Rebound by Marin. Paso Cedillo. Here's now Cedillo to Estiva. Estiva setting the play. Estiva. Rebound by Ulrich. Here's now Ulrich bringing down the ball. Pass to Liam. 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 And the balls! 47-44. 3-point lead by PGL. Here's now Estiva. Estiva pass to Marin. And a foul on number 23. That was your second personal foul. Penalty. Okay, coach. Eto, puro si Marin ang nasa free throw line. Tignan natin. First throw, short. Ako. 1 out of 5. Sa free throw. Second throw, wala pa rin. 1 out of 6 sa overtime. Eto, Braden. Hey! Public violation. Okay, substitution, sub. Okay, curls. Braden out. Okay. 1 minute and 31 seconds. 3-point lead by PGL. Arines to Estiva. Cedillo to Serauce. Serauce! Shot! Rebound! Arines! Arines! Getting a foul! Number 33. Fourth personal foul on Ulrich. Apat na yan para kay Ulrich. 2 shots para kay Arines. Okay, Arines naman ngayon. Masusubukan sa free throw line. Unang tira. Wala! Sayang! 1 out of 7 na sa free throw. Etong Raven dito sa overtime. Tignan natin. Second throw. Hey! Still missing! There's a rebound to Arines. Arines! Wala pa rin! Rebound by Marin! Marin! Ang Estelio! And a foul! On number 23. Third personal foul. Eto, babalik na naman si Marin sa free throw. 1 out of 8 sa free throw line. Itong Raven sa overtime. Tingnan natin. Unang tira. Mintes pa rin. 1 out of 9. Sayang, daming minutes. Kung pumasa yun, lamang na lamang. Okay, second throw. And, 2 out of 10. From the free throw. Etong Raven. 1 minute and 6 seconds. Wala si Estiva. Estiva wala. Rebound. And another foul. Para kay Ulrich. Okay. 5 fouls on Ulrich. Foul out. Okay, buti may tinis na yung timeout. Okay, foul out na si Ulrich. Ito, babalik ulit. Guys, DSA, mamaya muna kayo magkaroon dyan para hindi ma-interrupt yung titira. mabubuhay sa break and break. Hey! Sayang pa rin. Ang dami na. 2 out of 11 sa free throw. Shot na mintis. Wala pa rin! Rebound! Nakuha! Eh, meron tayong foul. Dapat 24 ang foul natin. Third personal foul ang dapat 24. Daming free throw. 2 out of 12. 10 yung minutes. Okay, ito naman. Sa kabila Spurs. Okay, first throw. Oops, wala. Okay, di pa rin tapos yan. Dalawa lang ang labang ng PGL. 47-45, 55 seconds remaining, 54.6 to be exact. Okay, last throw para kay Carls. Carls, wala rebound. Nakuha ni Sarosa, pinagtuwang pa na, papunta kay Cedillo. Cedillo, tayo muna yung mga kamampi. Cedillo, foul. Number 30, Brayden, 5 fouls, Brayden. Okay, 5 fouls. Brayden, 5 fouls. Okay, ito, si Cedillo naman ang pupunta sa free throw line. Wala, okay, isa pa. Sayang, ang daming free throw sa event, hindi pumapasok. Free shot. Sayang yung mga free shot. Second throw. Wala pa rin. 2 out of 14. Sa free throw. Ito, may sa rebound. Cedillo. Hey! Traveling. Sayang. Nauna muna ang makabang. Sige, 34 seconds pa rin. 34.8 seconds remaining. Pwede pa yan. 2 points lang yan. Hey! Traveling din. Same. Ayan. Cedillo. To Estiva. Estiva for the tie. 4:47. Sack all the way down. To Liam. 20 seconds. Liam for the lead. Liam. Liam for the lead. Pass to Estiva. 15 seconds. Hey. Estiva. Time out on PGL. Sayang. Akala ko titira na ni number 16. Pinasa pa. Okay, back to the ball game. An exciting ball game para sa dalawang koponan na to. 11 seconds remaining. Okay. Possession. Ball possession ng PGL. Tingnan natin ano kaya yung set play nitong PGL. Ano kaya? Let's go! Okay. Wala na tayong shot clock. 11 seconds na lang yan. Okay. Caleb, sino kaya ang titira? Caleb, binigay kay Liam. Agaw ni Estiva. 5 seconds na lang. Estiva, ay! Nagka-double pa. 4.2 seconds remaining. Nangangamoy. Caleb, pass Okay, both teams, wala nang time out. Okay. Back to the ball game. Okay, let's go, Raven.
Time sana ako.
Raven, let's go, Raven. Back to the ball game. Okay, 2.8 seconds remaining. Okay, possible ba yan dyan? Isang tira. Isang play.
Ano yan, coach?
Okay, 2.8 seconds remaining. Okay, pwede pa yan. Isang tira. Tingnan natin. Villegas at nasa inbound. Binigay kay Esteban. Itira mo na! Hey! Hindi yata na-remind ko sa oras. Nakalimutan. Okay. Another OT.
3 minutes. 5 minutes ulit.
Another 5 minutes of action.
Isang quarter pa pala yun. Ang malas ng referee.
Ibang quarter lang.
Yung referee, oti-oti din.
Okay, back to the ball game. Another 5 minutes. Maganda yung laban. Walang gustong bumitaw. Sayang lang yung mga play shot ng white team. So, pumasok. Okay. Okay, continuous penalty and one timeout ulit. Let's go. Okay, white ball tayo, white ball. Steva, wala. Rebound. Liam. Pass to Carls. Nagawa ng bola. Oh. Jump ball, okay. Bola ng block. Bola pa rin.
Bola nyo. Overtime.
And here's come. Okay, live ball. Marin, pass to Esteban. Esteban. Pass to Villegas. Villegas to Marin. 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 Short. Rebound. Liam. Liam. Moving the ball. Liam. And wala rebound. Marin. Here's the Marin. Pulling down the ball. Pass to Cedillo. Cedillo. Hey, Steve. By Carls. Carls. Pass to number 5. And still from behind by Cedillo. Pass to Esteban. Esteban. Pass to Marin. Marin. Wala. Rebound by Jericho. And foul on number 31. Sabrep, Cedillo. Cedillo, that was sure. 4. Okay, warning. Penalty na tayo. Penalty na yan.
Coach, apat na yan.
Okay. 2 shots. Wala. Second throw. 1 out of 2 para kay Liam. 48-47. Sabrep, sab. Okay.
Ilang ba yan?
Marin on the inbound. Pass to Esteban.
Raven?
Okay, Esteban. Ito si Arauce. Bounce pass to Arines. Arines po kami! Wala pero may foul. Foul number 26 on Caleb. Third personal foul on Caleb. 2 shots. Arines. Ako talagang malas sa free throw. Okay. 2 out of 13 sa OT. Dalawang OT. Second row.
Konti na kanina kuya.
O, 2 out of 15 naman na. Sa free throw. Isipin mo yun. Out of 15, 3 shots.
Wala si Mami Ernie. Nasa Pinas na.
Caleb.
Nasa Perpetual.
Pass to Jace. Jace. Pass to Liam. Liam. Wala rebound. Marin. Pass to Esteban. Esteban. Pinababa ang bola. Esteban, dire-diretso. Okay, lamang na yung isa ngayon. Raven. Liam. Pass to Caleb. Caleb. Pass to Jace. Jace. Take. Pasa. Ay! Ano daw ng referee? Okay, tumama sa pala. Bola ng Raven. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Okay, Esteban. To Villegas. Villegas. Binigay kay Marin. Marin! 48-51. Medyo nawala na sa loob. Si Ulrich. Wala na nagkakala ng bola sa PGL. Ado! Maaga pa si Villegas! Pasatan! Foul number 15. Ito. Dito, bro. Magkatalo. Bonus shot para kay Villegas. And wala. Rebound. Arines. Eto, Jace. Eto, binigay kay Carls. Carls. And malakas. Rebound by Marin. Eto, Marin. Pass to Villegas. Pinabinaba ang bola. Okay, time out. PGL. Okay. Biglang lumawaw ng lima dito ang Raven. Buto na lang kahit malas sa free throw. Okay, back to the ball game with 35.9 against remaining. Let's go back to the ball game. Okay, 14 tayo, 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds sa ating shot clock. Okay, Caleb ang nasa inbound. Sino ang papasahan? Binigay kay Liam! Liam! Oh, wala! Rebound! Villegas! Eto. 25 seconds still by Caleb! And a foul! On number 17. Okay, foul out. Villegas. Okay, 2 shots para kay Caleb. Pwede pa yan. First throw, shot. Parehong malas sa free throw. Second throw.
Sabi mo naman.
Second throw, shot ulit. Rebound. Napunta kay Liam. seconds. Okay. 10 seconds. Estiva. Tinagpagan pa ang kanilang kalamangan. 48-55. Dito nagkatalo sa pangalawang overtime.